Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check your blood oxygen on your Apple Watch. First, ensure your watch is updated and properly fitted. We'll cover the initial setup steps in the Health app on your iPhone, which is crucial for activating this feature. Then, I'll guide you through taking an on-demand measurement, ensuring you get the most accurate readings possible. Finally, we'll discuss how to interpret your results and what healthy ranges typically look like. Let's get started. To begin, make sure your Apple Watch is running the most recent Watch OS. On your iPhone, open the Health app, tap Browse, then select Respiratory, and finally Blood Oxygen. Here, you'll find the setup options. Follow the on-screen prompts to enable the feature. It's important to allow background measurements if you want continuous tracking throughout your day and night. This ensures your watch collects data automatically. When you're ready to take a measurement, ensure your Apple Watch is worn snugly, but comfortably, on your wrist. Open the Blood Oxygen app on your watch. Rest your arm on a flat surface, keeping your wrist flat and the watch face up. Remain completely still for 15 seconds while the measurement is taken. Avoid moving or talking during this brief period to ensure the most accurate reading. After a successful measurement, your blood oxygen saturation will appear on your watch. For most healthy individuals, a reading between 95 and 100% is considered normal. If you consistently see readings below 95% or have concerns, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional. You can also review your historical data in the Health app on your iPhone to track trends over time.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.